Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everybody, how are you today? That's great, my name is Vinny Vici. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. Please see our vocabulary school at hellobabyenglish.com. We also have a YouTube channel and a Telegram channel. They are called Hello Baby English. Alright, it is game time. Today we're doing verbs. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. In the first one, people are listening to music. And then someone says, Jennifer doesn't like this music. She will find another singer or another band. She will change it. She will change the music. There are 2 basic forms, to change and to change something. Jennifer is very bright. She can. The question. She can answer the question. The basic form is to answer a question, and the W is silent. We don't pronounce it. Please, your name. This means please say your name. It's kind of an official English word. Please state your name. To state something equals to say something. In the next one, there's a very bad storm. It's windy and raining for a long time. And then after the storm, someone says, how long did the storm? Answer, it for 3 days. This means how long did the storm continue? How long did the storm last? It lasted for 3 days. Please, that pen to me. This means give or pass. It's also a body part. Please hand that pen to me. To hand something to somebody. Before we go on holiday, we have a hotel room. This means to reserve or arrange. We have to book a hotel room. In the next one, Bob wants more information about a topic. Maybe he'll go to the library or go online. Bob wants more information about it. He will research it. The basic form is to research something, but it's used very often with it. In the next one, Jennifer will work abroad for 1 year, but she has a lot of stuff, a lot of furniture. And then someone asks, where will she? Her things. This means to put your things in one place for a long time. Where will she store her things? The basic form is to store something somewhere. Bob broke the law and he got caught. Then he was for 2 years. This means he went to prison. He was jailed for 2 years. She added some sugar to the food because she wanted to sweeten it. Bye-bye.